And I'm her niece, Sophia Khan.
We are the co-authors of the cookbook Students Go Gourmet, and we're here to show you a really fun quiche. It's bacon and double cheese quiche. So what we decided to do, since bacon and blue cheese pair so well together, we're going to do that with some cheddar. It actually reminds me of a salad. So what we have here is 6 pieces of bacon which have been cooked, and I'm going to talk to you about cooking bacon in just a minute. We have a 6-ounce package of blue cheese, and we've got 1 cup of some nice sharp cheddar. We're going to sprinkle some pepper on top at the end. We have a pie crust. We have got 1 1/4 cups of half and half and 3 eggs.
That's it. It's that simple. We'll just put them all together. We'll show you how.
Okay, let's get ready. So we've got, do you want to whisk the eggs, Sophia?
Sure.
While I add our sharp cheddar to the bottom.
Eggs are a great source of protein and omega-3s.
Very healthy and very good for you. So we've got our layer of cheddar. And then I'm going to take this bacon, and you're going to see how crispy and wonderful this is, and I'm just literally going to break it over our quiche, and it's going to be in the middle of our layers. So what you want to do with bacon is always start with a cold pan. Or if you're cooking it in the oven, start with a cold oven. You don't want to put it into a preheated oven or into a hot pan. Bacon always needs to start cold, and that's the best way to cook it perfectly so that it looks like this. And what I did here was I had a nonstick pan over medium heat. I got it up to medium heat once my bacon was in there, and I cooked for about 8 minutes on each side, so very simple.
It's very crispy.
Look at how crispy that is. You can actually probably hear that.
Delicious.
So we've got 6 pieces.
And quiche
then we're
originated all the way back in the 16th century or so in the Alsace-Lorraine region. It sort of changed hands between Germany and France, and Germany and France, and the kingdoms at the time. It weren't called Germany and France. And the Germans called it Kuchen. And the French, in the way they pronounced it, was quiche. And originally it was just with lardon, with the bacon. They used a lot of bacon in that region. And then they added Gruyere, which is a classic cheese of the region. It's really nutty, and then also onions. So that's your classic quiche Lorraine. And we're just doing a sort of 21st century bacon double quiche.
Absolutely.
Double cheese quiche.
Let's put our custard in, and then I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper, and we're done. And that's how easy it is. This is sure to be a crowd favorite.
And we like to use a pre-made pie shell. Originally it was brioche bread, and then it evolved into puff pastry because, you know, the French got a hold of it. So of course they did that, but if you're really busy, you're not going to have time to make a puff pastry shell. So just buy a pie crust. You can get whole wheat, you can get regular.
I always have them in my freezer. They're fantastic.
Preheat them at 375 for about 10 minutes.
And then you're not going to have a soggy bottom.
Exactly.
So we've got some ground black pepper, and here's the final product, and look how beautiful that is. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and cook for 50 to 60 minutes depending on your oven. It can shake a little bit in the middle, but you don't want a lot of movement of your quiche, of your custard. And if you put a knife in, it comes out clean. You're all done.
And this is what it will look like.
We've got it finished for you.
I'm ready to just dig right into that.
I'm Ellen Bass.
And I'm Sophia Khan from Students Go Gourmet. Thanks so much for watching, and happy cooking.